Wow, you know what? If you look at the clock in the background, we just got done doing a video 5 minutes ago. The clock's giving us away.
Yeah.
Oh no. And we've got the same shirts on.
I've had the same shirt on for 4 videos.
We kind of do them in batches. I was sick for a while, so they backed up a little bit. Now, this is a new bag for us, obviously not a new bag. It's Ipsy. And I had seen a few unboxings and I thought, wow, there's some really nice stuff in there. It's 10 bucks a month. I'm on the wait list for some deluxe thing or something. And this is the March box. And I saw so many
bag.
Yeah, I saw so many nice Ipsy ones. And when I looked at my stuff, I was like, well, I didn't get that. Well, I didn't get that. So every month, I guess you get a little makeup cosmetic bag. These are great. I just save all these little bags so that when I'm traveling, you can throw stuff in there and you don't lose it, or you go to the beach and you want to throw stuff in a big beach bag.
And your cell phone.
So there's all kinds of little uses for these. So this is really cute, and off she went to change the world. So here's my problem. Everyone else's bag was good. And then I got mine. So, let me show you. If you open that up, you'll be able to tell. So the first thing I got was this, let's see.
Bubble Tea Cosmetics Lemongrass and Green Tea Body Lotion.
Yeah, so it's a body lotion. It's a sample size, and I know Ipsy is sample size. So hold on, let's at least smell this. Maybe it'll redeem itself. Hold on, people. All right, let's try it. Ooh, it's not very thick.
Ooh, it smells good.
That it does. All right, so the smell alone kind of redeems itself, but it's very liquidy. Wow, it smells good though. That lemongrass smell. Okay, so this is all right. This will be great for my purse.
Okay.
And then this is by Tarte. Is this no
Ciate London? I don't know. Ciate London Mini Lip Luster and Kiss Me.
Yeah, and you know, a lot of people were getting like full-size lipstick, and then I get a little thingy here. So
I like the color.
I do too, but it's more of a lip gloss, I guess.
I'm not putting it on after you were sick. That's why I tried to do it first.
Oh, you should have said something. So, I mean, there's not much color there. So, it's okay. You know, I'll throw it in my purse.
Lisa, thanks for subscribing. It just popped onto our thing.
Oh, there you go.
Way to go, girl.
So, I don't know.
Well, you can't see any lipsticks on her lips. Come on. You hardly have any lips showing there. You gotta go way up here underneath your nose to make it look like you have a top lip. I almost can see it. You know what? You can't do light lipstick, Cindy, because seriously, you can't even see your lips.
Doesn't it give me a pouty look?
You look better in darker lipsticks because then you can see it. You don't look good in the lighter ones. All right.
Anyway,
you don't look bad in them. You just can't see them. So they don't have any like retail costs on any of this either.
No, and this is a wee bitty little.
Yeah, but that's a nice one just to throw in your purse, not for resale.
Well, you can't see it on my lips anyway. Okay, then I got this little bitty Tarte, which I love Tarte. This little bitty mascara.
Man-Eater Voluptuous Mascara.
Oh, man, that is a big wand.
Wowee.
Very short bristles.
But how much is this bag?
$10.
Well, this is worth $10 so far what you've
I
gotten.
know, but I'm saying I was so disappointed. Can't even really see it. I was so disappointed because everybody had such nice...
This is nice stuff. Why did you think it's
like
not?
full size.
Oh.
So anyway, this isn't bad. I always like to get these kind of things to try out before I buy them full size.
Okay, the next thing, I'm gonna use this for you. This is a Lord & Berry Voluto Eye Pencil in Supreme Green.
Green, ooh.
I have green on right now, so it'll look good.
Okay.
Just putting it on the inside of my eyelid.
Oh, the inside? Okay.
Can you see it?
No. Let me see up close. No.
All right. Well, is it even coming off the, oh, okay.
There you go, now I can see it.
I can't even see what I'm doing.
Obviously.
Wow. All right. So,
well, let me just show you again. Like, this is how it kind of comes off.
did it come off on my eye? Can you see it?
Yeah, you can see it up close, but you can't really see it with your glasses on. It goes.
Because I'm blind as a bat without my glasses on.
So it kind of is green here, or it could looks gray, but again, it's okay. You know, it's $10 for the bag. And then they gave you a
Royal and
brush.
Langnickel Chic Rose Gold Blush Brush. Don't open it. You have a ton of them. I like the gold handle.
Yeah, you know what? I don't want to be negative. It's a very pretty handle, but the brush bristles are really, really soft, so I probably wouldn't use it for blush.
No, this seems more like a powder brush.
Yeah.
A powder.
Yeah.
Maybe if you had that mineral, the crushed blush, you know, like wasn't.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, then you could go like that, get it off, and then put it on your face. So.
Yeah, it's really soft, but it's not firm enough for me to put blush on, but.
Feels good.
So at least it's a full size.
A mini blush brush.
So, okay, you know what? I wanted to give it a shot.
Kind of negative. I think it's a cute, I think it's a great little, the lipstick is really pretty. The mascara is great for travel. You get a nice eye pencil. You got a nice little travel lotion. I mean, it was only $10. What does she expect?
Yeah, you're right.
I mean, if you went and bought this Tarte, this would be more than $10 because Tarte mascara
yeah, but that's
is expensive.
just the trial size.
But still, you've got a good month in this.
Yeah, or at least. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Cindy's just being
I'm
Cindy's
sorry.
being negative. God, we're switching roles.
But it's a cute little bag. So that was Ipsy, $10 a month. I will put the info below if you want to try it out.
I thought it was a really cute bag. She'll
give you a little card where you can, you know, see all the products, and they even tell you how you could try and use it.
Yeah. I don't know. I thought it was, they had some nice brand names in there, and it was like, you know, you get what you pay for, and I think $10 is a great, we've paid 25 or 30 for bags where we got this much stuff. So I think Ipsy.
Yeah.
I think they're doing a good job. I think that was totally fun and well worth the money.
So, okay, there you have it. We will let you guys go. We know that you're just busy and waiting for our next video.
Wait a minute.
What?
Hit the subscribe button.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we'll wait. Okay, thank you. Now, hit the alert button. That way you'll know when the two of us are making a video.
And it'll go ding, 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 ding. Oh, those sisters in stitches. Can't wait to see what they're up to.
Because to be truthful, we went and got our hair done tonight, and I was supposed to go blonde. And I walked in, and I told the stylist, my stylist, Jess, I want to go blonde. Well.
And I filmed the whole thing.
That didn't happen. I didn't go blonde. I went washed out gray. So she's going to be fixing that for me next week, and then we'll post the video on me going blonde. But Cindy's went lighter, which hers looks really cute.
I did go a little bit lighter today.
Unfortunately, mine is just washed out.
It's lighter than it was before, but like all the
looks
dark
washed
in
out.
her.
I mean, where's the blonde?
Yeah.
I've got gray back. Yay, but there's no blonde. It's mousy brown and gray.
Yeah.
So I was very disappointed when I walked out. And I think Jess
She'll
knew
fix
that.
it.
She'll fix it.
Yeah.
And it's a hit or miss when my hair was really dark. So I think she didn't want to damage my hair, which I appreciate. but when you go in thinking you're coming out as a blonde and you come out with a little bit lighter than you walked in with, it's a little disappointing, but she'll fix
so
it.
you know what? Yeah, definitely hit that notify bell because we do have the partially filmed. And after Jess fixes it, put the blonde in, you will see the reveal in the salon.
Yeah, it'll look good. She's really good at what she does. And her main concern tonight was that she didn't want to use bleach on my hair and ruin my hair and, you know, make it like straw. So she did everything she could to pull the color out without using bleach. So for that, I give her huge credits because a lot of stylists would just throw a bunch of bleach on your hair, get all the color out, trash your hair in the interim, and sure you walk out with bright blonde hair, but you also have trashed hair. So she's really good at what she does, and she's, I know she'll fix it for me over time. So that being said, that's why you're not seeing a blonde video tonight. Cindy's blonde though.
You're seeing a blonde.
Yeah, you're seeing a blonde, just not me. All right, ladies, thanks for tuning in. We'll be back at you next week with some more videos.
All right, have a good night.
Bye.